I did a video on a non-fault accident, an accident that was not your fault, and how it would be dealt with an insurer or claims company, a solicitor, on actually getting your vehicle through and repairing it. There's also a video on diminution, on how to claim for your vehicle being devalued when it was repaired like this because it wasn't your fault. Today I'm going to talk about third-party intervention. Now, third-party intervention is where the person who hit you, their insurance company, will give you a call and actively try and capture you so they can actually deal with you directly and actually repair your vehicle, give you a hire vehicle, and if you have got an injury, deal with your injury. Now, is third-party intervention good? Yes, very good. There's a very good reason for it. The person who hit you, their insurance company, want to get you repaired and out of that hire car as fast as possible and deal with you direct, because otherwise they'll be dealing with intermediaries. Now, like I said, all the insurers do this. Non-fault claim comes through, 90% of the time they'll ship it out to another company to make money out of your claim. They'll say they don't do it, but they do. And I did it. I have a company that did non-fault claims for another insurance company, and we gave them money for doing it. So if you can be dealt with directly with the insurer who hit you, who's going to pay the bill, then you're going to get a far better service. You're going to get your vehicle repaired correctly. They'll use OEM parts, they'll look after you, they'll do whatever so even sometimes they send you flowers, whatever, to look after you, to say sorry, we're really sorry for hitting your car, we're going to pay the bill and we'll really look after you and get that vehicle repaired. What's the difference between the other route? Well, the other companies are making money. If you're in a hire car and they're charging, say, £150, £200 a day, is it in their interest to do your claim as fast as possible and get you repaired and get you out of it? No, they want to elongate it. They want to make that claim long as possibly can, so they can then give that to the at-fault insurer and make a lot more money out of it. And the insurance company, your insurance company who passed it over, likes that because every day they're getting a kickback for your hire. It's a vicious circle, unfortunately, in the insurance industry, but they're all at it and they're doing it to each other. So don't get in the middle. If you do have the option to go the third-party route and they've rang you and said, sorry, we want to repair your car, I advise you to go down that route every single time. I had a team doing it. We used to love doing it because we were very passionate about looking after the person, get them out. They've had a situation that was not their fault, and let's get them back to where they were before. So good that a lot of them used to ring and say, wow, we like your service, how do I insure with you? That was something different. But I would advise, go down the third party route every time. Now, the slight difference in the differences is the non-fault accident management solicitor route. They'll look at getting you in the highest rated possible car they could. So if you've got a BMW, bang, they're going to try and get you into like for like BMW, or even better because one's not available, because they make more money. With a third-party intervention case, they'll actually ask you, we're going to get your vehicle repaired 5-6 days, do you really need to have a big car? And if you tell them, well, actually I could do with just having a run around, fantastic, you might have a secondary car to get access to. That I think is very good. You're helping them, you're driving down the cost of insurance for everybody because there's other ways driving insurance up. And yeah, you drive around in the car, it might be a courtesy car that you get. If you really do need a car, they'll like for like, they'll give you one, that's not a problem. They'll get you repaired and then you'll get you back on the road as fast as possible, and they pay the bill directly to the repairer, no problems, it's very good. Also, there's a plus side of third-party intervention if your vehicle's a total loss, because they want to help you as fast as possible. So what they'll do is they'll come straight to you and they'll give you an offer for your vehicle. Now, the difference between a third party dealing with your vehicle and your insurer dealing with your vehicle is actually they might cash in lieu it where you can actually repair it yourself. It's your vehicle, it's not theirs. Through your policy, 9 times out of 10, they will not allow you to keep salvage. If you're dealing with a third party insurer, unless you sign an agreement to it. It's your car, and they haven't got a policy with you. You've not got any contract with that insurer whatsoever. So all they're doing is trying to mitigate their loss by getting you repaired and put you back on the road. So firstly, if your vehicle is a write-off and it's a Cat D, which is repairs not more than the value of the vehicle, but it's economical to write it off because you get more value for the salvage. On a fault claim, they will take the car off you. You lose it. On a third-party intervention claim, they will probably turn around to you and say, look, it's a Cat D, and you tell them, I really want to keep my car, we'll give you X amount of money, you go and get it repaired. It's just slightly different, so there's a plus point on that. The other point on that is that we had a video on diminution. If you're dealing with the third-party intervention, you can go directly to them and say, I want diminution, and they might put that directly into the claim without going through all the court case or going through a claim case, which will delay it. So you might get that very quickly. So you might get to keep your vehicle, or they'll write your vehicle off, give you a check very quickly. And also, some of the insurers now on third-party intervention will let you keep the hire car after you've got your money. So you've got it for 3 or 4 days, so you can drive around and find a car. Negotiate that. Ring them up and say, yeah, I'll come with you, but when you give me the total loss check, if my vehicle is a total loss by the looks of it, can I have the car for 3 or 4 days, 5 days? Afterwards, I'll take a smaller car, so I'll take a Corsa or a Fiesta or something like that. Then I can look round, find the car I want and give you the car back. It's a negotiation process with that insurer, which is totally different if you go the other route. It's very good. I love third-party intervention. I love doing it. My team love doing it because we've got a lot of appreciation back from the people we dealt with. I hope that video gives you an insight on how third-party intervention is different to going through your insurer route or through an accident management company or solicitor for non-fault. The plus points about it, and I can't see any negative in it whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, leave comments below if you need anything answering regarding this video or about third-party intervention, and if there is anything else you'd like to see, put that in the comments and I'll try and make a video about it. Thank you.